what's going on, guys? Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today, we're going to talk about a new auto refinance company with no impact to your credit score. Let's get started. So they're saying that, of course, that they're averaging about $100 a month to $110 a month savings. Now, of course, this is going to play a role. The car is going to play a role. The year, the make, the model, how many miles is on the vehicle. All that's going to obviously play a role. But at the same time, you could put the cash back into your wallet with the auto refinance customers saving an average of $110 a month on their car payments, as I just mentioned. Access to competitive rates. They work with local and community lenders to bring you competitive auto refinance offers and rates as well. Then you can also pre-qualify in minutes. You can pre-qualify on their, of course, on their application, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then you can do all of that, or without giving your social security number. Okay. There's also a video on the site that you guys can watch as well. But how it works is you put in your information, and once you do that, you check your rate. So you're just sharing a minimal information, and then of course they'll find competitive pre-qualified loan options in minutes without impacting your credit score. Okay. Next is you select your loan offer. So you're going to pick the refinance offer that works best for you and select from their other products if you want to help protect the value of the vehicle and keep unwanted expenses at bay. Their customer support team is available if you guys need help with anything. And then last is to finalize the refinance. You're going to submit a few pieces of information so they can obviously confirm that what you say is legit. Like, they may need to verify income or whatever, but you're going to submit a few pieces of information and sign your loan refinance documents online. They do all the heavy lifting on to refinance the loan. Then it's time to celebrate your newfound savings. Okay, guys, I got the link right here, right at the top as well. And this is what the application is going to look like. So as you guys can see here, they don't even ask for your social. Okay. Then if you want to save on auto insurance, you can. And then of course you just click continue. And of course, like it says, comparing the new rates will not impact your credit score. Okay, guys. So again, the link is going to be at the top. I may have it down at the bottom as well too, if you guys want to get more information. And of course, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.